What's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's video. Now in this video I want to talk to you about what I would do if I was starting out in property with £1,000. Now disclaimer, I am not a financial expert. I am no way giving out financial advice. This is just what I would personally do, but it's up to you what you wish to do with this information. So if I was starting out in property with £1,000. So for those of you that don't know, when I started out in my property journey, I only started with £6,000 worth of savings that I earned from my day job. Now with this money, I was able to raise capital from elsewhere, from different people, private investors, and I was able to raise up £12,000 altogether. So my six plus investors, £6,000. So I do know what it's like to start off with little capital and actually be struggling to make it work in property. I went down the route of purchasing properties, but you do not have to go down that route. There's other ways you can get involved in property. Let's get straight into it. If I only had £1,000, what would I personally do? Now this is just me, guys. I'm not telling you you should do this. I'm just telling you, if it was me, this is what I would do. So if I was wanting to get into property with £1,000, the first thing I would do was study like a crazy person. I'll be there reading free information, free books, free YouTube videos. I'll be getting all the free information that I could. Once I'd get enough free information, what I'd actually do is I would look for a mentor, someone I can jump on a coaching call with and pick their brain, hopefully a 1 hour slot. So that's what I'll do. I'd find someone that's doing what I want to do, the strategy that I want to do. Firstly, you need to determine the strategy. You know, what do you want to do in property? Do you want to buy properties? Do you want to start off with rent to rent? Whatever you decide to do, whatever strategy you decide to go with, then you need to find someone that's doing that strategy very well and they can prove it. Now this is a key point. They must be able to prove what they are doing. You don't need to be someone that's on stage always talking and talking and talking. You want to see someone doing this strategy. Now they need to have a proven track record. So once you found this person, reach out. And I believe the best way to reach out to a developer or someone that's doing really well in property is to say, hi, do you offer mentorship calls? I'm willing to pay for your time. Believe it or not, guys, people are busy out here, and if someone's really successful, 9 times out of 10 they might be too busy to jump on calls with everyone that reaches out. So maybe the best way to do it is to say, right, I'm willing to pay for your time. Now I'm serious, I want to learn, I'm even willing to pay. Lots of people reach out to me with just a big paragraph question, and then I just kind of think, sorry, but I can't respond to all of these. I do try to, but that's not the best way, because it's hard for me to respond to a paragraph question when it's an in-depth topic. So I'd say first thing to do is study. Second thing to do is find a mentor that you can pay for a coaching call. And then I'd look for some sort of ongoing thing. So this could be a small mentorship program. This could be a training program online. I do have something available. I'd look for something that's affordable, so something less than £1,000, something I can learn from, because at the end of the day, £1,000 is not going to get you that far in property. So what I'd look to do is study, find a mentor, pay for some coaching calls, maybe pay for 2 or 3 coaching calls, and then go for some sort of online training program that's less than £500 to £700. I'd go for something like that. That's what I would do, guys, with £1,000. And then with that information, I would then save up again. So once that £1,000 been invested in yourself, you then save up again and go again. So once you've got another £1,000, now you know what to do, because you've been trained, you've had all the, you've been through lots of education, self-education, guys. So when you come across some money again, you know exactly what to do with it and what strategy to do. And then it's time to implement. Do I think you can learn completely just from YouTube? Yes. But is there going to be things which are not spoke about on YouTube? Yes. Some things people will only tell you over the phone. Go for something affordable. Don't try and buy something on finance like a training program which is like £5,000. Go for something affordable, cheaper, but something which is credible, so you know who's behind it, and go down that route. Yeah, that's what I would do with £1,000. Would be purely education with that £1,000. And then when I've saved up, say £5,000, £6,000, £7,000, now I'm in a position where I can do a deal. This could be a solid rent-to-rent deal. This could be go towards a deposit on your first property. This is the type of thing what I'll be looking to do. So £1,000 in the grand scheme of things is not a lot. So I'd say invest in yourself, self-educate. But guys, if that is you, do not be disheartened, because you might only have £1,000 now. You're going to grow your money. I think investing in yourself, your education is super important. And then after that, when you come across £5,000, £6,000, £7,000, you're ready to go. And then it's go time, then it's deal time. That's what I'd recommend. That's just my advice, guys. I hope it helps somebody. Okay guys, so I know you might have heard me speaking about creating an online training program. Well, I actually did it. It took me 6 months and I spent a lot of time and energy into creating this training program. Now, I believe it will be super helpful for anyone that's new to property or anyone that's done maybe say one deal, but they want to step up their game and they want to elevate their property game. Now, of course, I do have to charge for this, but what I've actually done is I've created a coupon code. So if you go over to the link in the description, you'll be able to access this training program for £300, guys. So it's $299. It's usually $699, but right now it's $299. It's a limited offer. I'm going to be taking this offer down after, I believe, maybe 3 weeks. So guys, if you're interested, then now's the time. Link's in the bio. Just to know, all you need to do is get the coupon code from the description of this video and then click on the link and then enter the coupon code where it says coupon name, and that will actually give you the discount. If you did enjoy this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.